Coolmunda Dam is a really important asset in the Sunwater portfolio of dams we have, particularly in the south. Coolmunda supports the McIntyre Brook irrigation scheme and is an important asset and a very unique asset in that it's a gated dam. The gate is supported by a series of counterweights. Those counterweights have been in place since they were put in through the construction phase, and they needed to be reviewed for either repair or replacement. The counterweight project was really unique in that we had to ensure that we provided for the safe operation of the dam because it is a live operational asset. We needed to ensure security of supply for our customers, but we also needed to ensure that we undertook the work safely for both our people and for the associated infrastructure around the dam gates themselves. Great innovation by the team and supported by our contractors, particularly Abergeldy, in working through the considerations of how to do the work safely, but also then how does that support doing the work efficiently, and really pleased with the effort and with the outcome. The creation of a gantry lifting frame allowed us to access onto the structure. We couldn't do that with craneage because of the distances and the weights involved. Each of these counterweights are just over 14 tonnes, so significant in their own weight, but also then the associated material and procedures we needed to put around it. Meant we had to have an innovative solution that provided for both safe work conditions and safety of the infrastructure. And the work that the team did was fantastic. The other work we did at Coolmunda also was the scour repair works. When we operate dams, particularly through flood events, there is damage that occurs often downstream of the gated structure, and we did have some scour at Coolmunda following the last major event. This allowed the team to go in and repair some of that work and reinforce the bank structure and provide for better outcomes going forward. Really pleased with the work being undertaken by our team, but really pleased with their considerations from both a safety for our people and a security of supply for our customers.